It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, what is that?
It's alcohol. You want some?
No, I don't.
Come on, take some.
No, I don't want it.
But come on, you just have to take some.
No!
I want some coffee.
Excuse me, how much is the coffee?
Hold on 1 second. Hey, what's going on over here? You should be working. Oh, well, I was just having some of my alcohol.
You're fired.
What? No, I can't be fired. I'm Employee of the Month.
Not anymore.
Oh, I'm tired. But I still have a lot of homework to do.
But it's 4, honey. We haven't even had dinner yet. What's up with you these days?
Nothing. I'll just go to bed.
Hello?
Hello, this is the school board, and I would like to inform you that your daughter was caught drinking at the back of the school.
I'll talk to her. What were you thinking? Don't do drugs.